블랙 올리브 드리블이야. 올리브.
Perhaps one day I'll hit the lotto, then my bills would all be paid. The money no longer would be a bother. My life would never be the same. We could travel all around this world, fly first class every day. But if I never hit the lotto, would you still love me anyway? Perhaps one day I'll reach the big time. The whole world would know my name. Well, every other magazine cover would use me for their campaign. We would be the hardest couple around, from New York to LA. But if I never reach the big time, you still love me anyway.
수고하셨습니다.
Perhaps one day I'll have the answers
뭐해 소금?
for every question that's ever been.
아이고 졸려.
Most brilliant minds of our time will call me colleague and friend. We would never have any problems at all. I'd solve them each right away. But if I never have the answers, would you still love me anyway? If I never hit the lotto or reach the big time one day, if I never have the answer, would you still love me? Would you still love me anyway?